Hello everyone. We were taking a bike ride today, so I thought I would show you what I eat on my bike ride. I always start hydrating when I first get up in the morning, and I wasn't very hungry, so I just ate a banana. And this was our first stop, and we drank plenty of water. Very important to hydrate when you're riding. Yeah, this is all new to us. We're scouting out a new path. It's really pretty. I think that said Penny Greenway or something like that. We're at the Angel Hair Cafe in Griffith, checking it out. It's a nice little quaint place. Mr. G waiting on his food. We're at the halfway mark. We rode 25 miles.
There you are. And that's the eggplant, and then that's the tofu, and then I grabbed an extra plate for you guys. Anything else I can grab for you right now?
Which one is the eggplant?
Well, how's your taco?
Very good.
I had the eggplant taco and it was delicious. These two cafes are right down the street from each other, but I had to go down to the Grindhouse Cafe to get my cookies because they were cheaper. On the way back, we seen this praying mantis. And this guy stopped and he picked him up and let him climb up on his hand so I could get a good photo. He climbed up on his back. He was so nice. We are almost back, taking our last break. Mr. G is having water. And I'm gonna have this little Chia Bar that I got from Aldi's. Oh no, sorry, I got it from Trader Joe. I think Aldi's have a brand too, but these came from Trader Joe. 9 miles to go. Hey, we made it back and still walking.
Barely, but walking.
I'm going to have these frozen grapes. I really like frozen grapes when it's hot. So I'm going to have some frozen grapes to tide me over into dinner. For dinner, I'm having brown rice. This is broccoli with a few peas in it and some lentil loaf that, this is high carb Hannah's recipe. And this is some air fried eggplant. So that's dinner tonight. This is my last meal for tonight. I'm having this cookie that I rode 50 miles for. It's a vegan oatmeal raisin cookie. And I'm having some tea that my daughter-in-law brought me from Africa. Nice hot tea before bed. And this is the brand of tea. We had a great ride. We met some awesome people along the way. Had a great meal. So get out, get your exercise. Peace and love. I'm out.